last 2 years have made QR codes quite popular. A convenient form that allows users to avoid contact with objects and close interactions with other people. It has been a blessing during the pandemic period. Ever wondered how QR code functions? We are here to explain the anatomy of QR codes. QR codes and barcodes hail from the same family. The difference is barcodes store information horizontally along the axis, while QR codes carry data in both vertical and horizontal axis. This arrangement allows QR codes to store more information than barcodes. One needs a camera to scan a QR code. For many camera apps for Android and iOS, QR code scanning is built in. Mostly, QR codes store web links. They can also store arbitrary data like text and images. This is how it works. When you scan a QR code, the QR reader in your phone's camera decodes the code and triggers a required action on your phone. If the QR code holds a URL, your phone will show you the URL. Once you tap it, you will be transported to the web page. Data, position markers, quiet zone and optional logos are the parts of QR codes. Data is represented by a series of dots in a square grid. In binary code, each dot represents a 1 and each blank a 0. The smallest grid has 21 rows by 21 columns, while the largest one has 177 rows by 177 columns. Although the most common color representation is black squares on a white background, it is not a strict requirement. It could be any color. Position markers, which are the squares placed in a QR code's top left, top right and bottom left corners, let a smartphone camera or other device orient the QR code while scanning. The blank space that surrounds the QR code is called the quiet zone. It helps the computer determine the beginning and end of a QR code. Sometimes QR codes will have a logo in the middle. It is optional. QR codes are not dangerous. However, there is a possibility of phishing through the URLs the codes take you. So check before clicking any link. Also, use only trusted apps provided by the device manufacturer to avoid malicious QR codes. Do not download custom QR code apps. So this is how the QR codes are built. For more such intriguing news, do watch and subscribe to chanlang.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Stay tuned till the next segment.